This video is meant to help you be able to familiarize yourself with the agent portal or the agent account. So you can see here, this is an agent account here. You can see here that this agent has 21,675 thousand Onyx cash equivalent. Now remember, an agent holds Onyx cash, but an agent, for him to be able to deposit some e-value to clients, he needs to exchange Onyx cash to what you call Onyx assets. And what are Onyx assets? Onyx assets are actually a currency in our system that mirrors the local currency in your country. So for example, if I'm in Kenya, then the local currency here is Kenya shilling, and so what I'll be holding here is called Onyx Kenya shilling. If I'm in the US, then it will be Onyx US dollar. If I'm in Uganda, then it's Onyx UGX or Onyx Ugandan shilling. And so you can check here detailed balance, and you can see this agent actually is holding 4,946 USD, 10,607 Onyx Kenya shilling, the euro 100 Onyx euros. UGX, you're looking at how much this is actually 4.235 million, and then Rwandese francs, that is Onyx Rwandese francs, you're looking at 6.45. Now, so the first thing is that you can see Onyx cash here is only 8,390 because the rest is actually held in these assets. Okay, so now what can we do? We can actually come here and actually exchange Onyx cash to an asset, or an asset to Onyx cash, or an asset to another asset. So now, for example, I can come here and maybe do 100, but in this case I want Onyx euro. So in other words, I want to buy 100 Onyx euro, which is actually equivalent to 109.3 Onyx cash. Remember, one Onyx cash is equivalent to $1 US. So now, in this case, I can exchange this. So I'm actually selling 109.3 Onyx cash, and I'm actually buying Onyx euro, which is equivalent to only 100 Onyx euro. So I can exchange this here. Exchange operation successful. We can actually check our detailed balance here and see what happened. If you check detailed balance here, remember initially this person had, this account actually had 100 Onyx euro. Now it has 200 Onyx euro because we have bought an additional 100 Onyx euro. So this is the point I'm making. Anytime you're an agent in a particular country, for example, you're an agent in Uganda, you must exchange your Onyx cash to Onyx Ugandan shilling for you to be able to perform deposit operation for people in Uganda. If you're in Zambia, then you need to convert Onyx cash into Onyx Zambian kwacha, so for you to be able to serve people in Zambia. So anytime you're in a certain country, exchange your Onyx cash into the currency that is relevant in that country. And that's how you do it, asset exchange. When you come here, you're selling an Onyx cash and you're buying the asset here. It could be USD, it could be Kenya shilling, it could be euro, it could be UGX, it could be Rwandan francs, or any currency that is relevant to you. Something else also to understand is that if you have maybe an asset like, for example, US dollar, you can actually sell the US dollar and buy another asset. Or you can actually sell maybe even Kenya shilling and convert it to another asset. So it depends. So you could be an agent anywhere, and maybe a client wants you to deposit a particular asset, then you are able actually to exchange the asset you have to the asset the client wants. So the system gives you the leeway and the liberty to be able to serve any client in terms of assets. But what you'll understand is that from practice is that if you're in a country like Zambia, then you'll find that most people who actually want to deposit Onyx assets will be requiring Onyx kwacha. So if you're in South Africa, the same thing. Most people will actually be wanting to deposit Onyx rand. So it depends on where you are. But the first thing is that for you to be able to do any operation as an agent, you must exchange your Onyx cash to Onyx asset, and the asset is the asset that is most relevant in your jurisdiction. Thank you for watching.